one of the big differences that we find is that we should work it not thinking about an AI and IT project, but mainly a business project. To that end, what we normally do, we start with a workshop, a business workshop, to identify the goals that we are looking for, the pain points that we're going to solve, and then to define this project. I would like you to tell a little bit about how was the workshop here, what were the results, and what was good, what was not good.
As I mentioned, I think that AI is a thing that's came with me in my journey. I love the topic. I think that the difficulty that we have is to help the people, help the teams to understand a little bit how it works and how it can bring value to you. Because it's not, as you mentioned, it's not only a project. I think you need to understand the game behind to the business. Mm-hmm. Okay, because it's not a project that you are going to implement and that's it. It's a journey. It's a continual evaluation of the things. And when we did the workshop, it was really meaningful for the team because they were just thinking about the small things or the end of the project, how it would be. But then the workshop helped us to bring the process, to bring the understanding of the team to what will be the gain of the project? Mm-hmm. What's the value of the project? Mm-hmm. It's not a project, okay? It's an evolution. And the workshop was important to that because now the team started working and they are dreaming with the implementation of the project because they are seeing the value. Okay, not it's operational thing, small gains here, but it's bringing value, and they now understand. Okay, the team, the time that we are going to save, the activities that will be developed, mm-hmm. And they are saying, okay, can I do that? And they are bringing a lot of things. Okay, now they want more. Yeah. That's amazing for me, my perspective.